Look at all these headsets. What I'm doing today is going through a little comparison and information about all the headsets I own. The ones I've had the longest, the Sony MDR-CD180 corded headset. The small millimeter plug. As I said, I've had them for many years, but they're very comfortable. Nice soft foam ear cushions, nice and big. My ear actually goes inside. It doesn't smash my ear and make it uncomfortable. Very good sound for what I use them for, music and whatever videos on the internet and so forth. Use them for my working with music on my computer. The newest ones is a Bluetooth setup. It is the OneOdio A70. Comes with a accessory bag with cords in it to plug into the larger style audio cable. Also has a smaller plugs, as well as the charger, USB charger connector. I've used them a few times already. Pretty good sound and very comfortable. Has volume control here on this one. And this actually connects from one headset to another using this plug here. It pops in and tightens or locks in, and then you can share it with another person using the different headset, so you can both listen to the same audio source. The twist. These are also comfortable. The cushions are big enough around to dust there. Big enough around to fit on the outside of my ear, so it doesn't smash my ear and make it sore. Which I'm giving to my young kids in the family. It's a Bluetooth, but nice enough sound, but it's very uncomfortable for me, for an adult. I think it'll work for the kids who have smaller ears, because the cushion is so small, it just really gets hurting after a while because it pushes your ear constantly against your head. It pinches off the blood circulation, I guess, to your ear. It actually hurts quite a bit, but other than that, the sound is good. It's got volume control. It's got good range. It also has a capability of plugging it in to a wired source, and here's your charging port. So this is the Bluedio, and then this one is my next to the newest, Mpow, MPOW. Pretty comfortable. It has this floating headband that goes on your head. It's not a solid, it's not a solid cushion like most of these are. It's actually just a floating strap sort of thing. Pretty comfortable. Has a mic. It's not cordless. It does have a cord. And this one, I think you can get it in different versions. This one happens to be USB. I think you can get it in a smaller 3mm, I think it is, plug. And my newest is the most expensive for my audio work, for my music. These sound really good, as they should, because they're a little bit spendy. It's the Tascam TH-300X. Got them on sale. Did an unboxing on this headset as well, and it has a larger plug for the amps and sound equipment, as well as the small, with just an adapter here. Of course, the extension coiled cord. So I'll put all links to all these in the description, and if you need any more information, give me a holler in the comments. Please subscribe and like our videos, and hopefully see you soon. Bye bye.